All right, we move on to IELTS speaking part 2, and your topic is describe an interesting animal you have ever seen. Right? So please, you have got 1 to 2 minutes to speak on the
Okay.
topic.
Well, today I'm going to talk about an interesting animal which I saw last Friday with my friend. My friend and I went after doing a project. We felt bored, and we decided we went to zoo and we saw a kangaroo, a couple of kangaroo, and we shocked because the large number of kangaroo decreased day by day. Especially kangaroo is the animal, is the national animal of Australia, and in every year the large number of kangaroo die because of fire in the forest. And the interesting thing in this kangaroo, the skin color is white. The both skin color is white, and the other interesting thing, they play with each other and did some interesting activities, and also play with their children, and after that they eat grass, and especially I shocked because white kangaroo, I saw first time this type of white kangaroo, and after that we spent some time with the kangaroos, and we got back to home.
Okay, 1 minute and 32 seconds, which is fine. You started very well.
Okay.
Then afterwards there were grammatical mistakes, quite like you said, we decided to met. It should have been decided to meet. Then you said couple of kangaroo. Most of your mistakes were related to singular plural. It should have been couple of kangaroos. Then you said large number of kangaroo. It should have been kangaroos.
Kangaroos,
Then you
okay.
said I shocked. It should have been I was shocked.
I was
So these type of mistakes you are doing. You should try to
Actually,
improve them.
we decided to went to
That's wrong.
Yes, wrong.
We decided to go.
We decided
After
to
two,
go.
we use first
Okay,
form.
okay.
Exactly. Right? Okay, now let's move on to speaking part 3.
Okay.
How do you like taking care of animals?
I think we spent some time with animals, and we love and we take care of different type of animals, and
First, you need to mention how do you like taking care of animals. Oh, I love taking care of animals, or I don't like taking care of animals.
Okay, sir.
And then you can elaborate
Okay,
further. So, how do you like taking care of animals?
first I love taking care of animals, and after that we love I love
It should not be with we, it should be with I.
Okay,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah.
Okay, sir. I love taking care of animal, especially take care of eating time of the animals, and spend some time with the animals.
Animals eating time, or your eating time
No,
to eat the animals?
Animal eating
Oh, okay.
time. Okay, sir. No, sir, animal eating time.
Okay, okay.
And especially animal eating time, and spend some time with animals.
Okay, now you know what you're doing? You're using very limited ideas and you're moving around with those ideas.
Yeah, okay.
You used eating time several times.
Okay.
Come up with a variety of
Okay,
ideas.
sir.
What kinds of pets are most popular in your country?
Well, there are diverse type of animal or pet popular in my country, such as cats, dog, and hens, also parrots, etc., etc. So the one of the most popular animal,
One of the most popular
animals
animals.
in my country is dog, because the large number of people think about that the dog is a very good is a very good sense of animal, and
Good sense of animal is not grammatically correct. Okay, let's move on. What are the advantages and disadvantages of keeping a pet?
There are diverse type of advantages and disadvantages keeping a pet. First, I'm talk about an advantages when you have a pet. So in your leisure time, you spend lots of time with your pets, and you entertain with your pet.
You get entertained by your pet.
By your pet.
Or you entertain your pet.
You get entertained.
Okay,
you get entertained by your
Okay.
pet, and you get entertained by your pets. And the disadvantages of the pet is when you get when you have a lion, because there are different type of people in my
Yeah,
country,
they have
and,
different pets.
yes, and they are different pets, especially some people like to lion.
Now
and
your
different-
answer is getting longer. Examiner will not allow you to speak that much.
Okay.
They will immediately ask the next question. So you need to give a quick answer,
Okay, sir.
right? Give a direct answer, to the point answer. Looking at your performance and all the mistakes, I mean, this type of speaking may bring you maximum 6, and if the examiner is Kharus, okay, it may go down to 5.5.
Okay.
But if on that day you really performed well, because you have grammatical mistakes and lack of content for part 3 and limited vocabulary, limited resources, so if you overcome these things, you can move it to 7 or 6.5 easily.
Okay.
Right? Okay, thank you.